Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am yours Rahul. So in last sessions I posted videos regarding guidance program which is ongoing now regarding digital and innovator for T4 Spring Boot, Django and T1 mod. Other than that I posted regarding new intelectives and Django innovator hands-on code. So in this one I am here to share one MCQ PDF regarding Spring Boot. So most of the associates used to mention like in the main exam they will get too much descriptive questions. Also, the options will be too much descriptive. In order to make you too much similar with these type of questions, we prepared similar pattern questions in such way like the same pattern in this also we are giving you too much descriptive question as well as answers. Same time we are providing you some explanation why this answer is correct. Like that we are providing some explanations so that you will get to know why we have to go for this option, so that it will be easy for you to understand the particular uh, question and all. So if you see this question, as you can see, it will take some time to read this question and all, and the answers also somewhat similar. At that time, you might get confused and all. So in that way, which also needs to make you understand the concept of each question. We added the explanation of each um, question and the answer that we are taking, also why we are not going for other options. These type of things we are given in the explanation part. Almost 40 MCQ questions are there in this one MCQ PDF that I'm going to share now. So the link will be available in the description, you can fetch it from there. So in coming weeks I will post um, more MCQs like this, also code snippet based as well as direct questions. Because in main exam, the questions will come like scenario based, code snippet based, as well as direct questions. So every time the ratio, the way they ask the questions, like the number of questions will differ in these three. So just prepare. That's why we started to give like these lengthy questions now. So you will get used to it. Like that we are thinking. So if you have any query or any doubts, just ping me. I will help you. I will give my social media accounts link in the description. You can find me there. Also, if you are new here, subscribe my channel for more contents like this. Also, if you need any help, please feel free to contact me. So see you next video. Happy coding.